The speed of change in the electronics industry is rapidly accelerating, and the direction the industry moves in is constantly shifting. To stay on top of our fast-moving industry, you need far-reaching ideas that take change head-on. So, plan to head to IPC Apex Expo 2018 to succeed at the velocity of technology. Succeed with education that keeps you up to speed. Access new industry research from the world's leading technical conference. Professional development that helps you explore trending materials, applications and processes, including printed electronics and automation. Leverage best practices in fabrication and assembly. Solve real-world challenges with ideas you can apply immediately. Succeed with technology that's at the edge of change. Discover new equipment, interact with the industry's leading suppliers, find unexpected solutions. Succeed with connections that keep you current, network with thousands of industry peers, trade ideas during meetings, sessions, courses, receptions, luncheons, and many other events. Have an impact on the industry, your company, and your customers by participating in standards development meetings. Whether you're just starting your career or you're an industry veteran, take yourself and your company in the right direction. Attend IPC Apex Expo 2018 to succeed at the velocity of technology.